Right now we're in Philadelphia. We're at the 191 Presidential Project, and we're installing the Tremco Puma under asphalt system.
The building is a 10-story luxury condominium building, and it was an urgency that we took care of this problem.
The asphalt was heaving up and the concrete below was deteriorating.
Literally the underside of the entire roof was sheathed in plastic to try to stop water from landing on any cars.
Since the owner would requested an asphalt topping, we had to make sure that the product, which is hidden under the asphalt, would perform for 20+ years.
Not a lot of systems can handle that. The Puma system came in and basically saved us.
One of the reasons they chose Puma for this project is speed of application. It's a cold applied rapid curing system which enables us to get out here, install half the system in one day and finish up the second day.
They're just moving more than I could expect. Any way they could appease us, they have. So I can't ask for anything better than that.
It's nice to have the manufacturer involved. Tremco's been real helpful with being hands-on when we need them, or they stop by and make sure everything's good.
Application is extremely easy. Preparation is extremely easy. We expect complete performance from the product without any issue to the occupants inside.
I would hope that this system could be a model for all of the things that Tremco can accomplish in the city of Philadelphia.
There's other condo buildings and facilities in this area that have a very similar garage. We'd love to translate the repairs we did here to help those other facilities.
We're excited to move forward and really head into the fall and finish up probably downstairs in the winter. Which using Puma, we won't be affected.